Hello everyone. Are you wondering what midwit means? Let's explore. Midwit is a term used to describe someone who believes they are more intelligent than they actually are, often because they possess some knowledge or education but lack the deeper understanding or critical thinking skills to fully grasp complex ideas. The word combines mid, indicating mediocrity, with wit, suggesting intellect. Midwits are often confident in their opinions, yet their understanding might be surface level or overly simplistic. The term is sometimes used in discussions about intellectual humility, pointing out that a little knowledge can lead to overconfidence, while true wisdom often involves recognizing the limits of one's knowledge. In essence, a midwit is someone who overestimates their intellectual capabilities, often falling short of genuine insight or understanding. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.